Okay, the bunch of poly, 18 millimeter bolt, 18 millimeter socket here. Okay, I'm gonna be removing the crunch of poly right now, and for this I'm gonna be using this kit here, Harbor Freight tools, right there. Now they all 14, this one, these three are 14, and this one is also 14. Now this, don't do it with any cordless ratchet, or don't do this with impact gun or anything like that. Just do it by hand. Now this seems to be very stuck. Oops. Right here. Always make sure, see, they all even right there, the three bolts that are inserted there. This is the pin here. This goes inside the hole inside there, so this doesn't damage it. Okay, I'm gonna be taking all of these bolts right now, and the front, they are different sizes, 18, 13, and some 14. All you gotta do is be looking out for all of them. This is 18 here. This is 13. This is another 13 here. Now there are 4 beneath the engine. These ones that I'm removing right now, they all 13. This one is another 13 here. Next to the 10mm bolt from the power from the water pump. This one I'll get it out with washer because the impact gun is hitting this pipe here. It does so the bolt cannot, the socket cannot be straight inside the head of the bolt, and I might strip it. But it is 13 again. And I'm not sure if the camera is gonna get that, but this one here. And there is another one on this side here. This has this small bracket here for this. You don't have to remove the crankshaft position sensor. Just got it disconnected, the connector. Now I have in the bottom there, right there, there are four, can't remember if they are 14 or 13 or 12. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And beneath. And this one is 15, and that one is 15 on both sides. Now beneath this one is that one, which is I believe is like 18, something like that. Yeah, 18. Okay, I'm beneath the car right now. I'm removing the 4 13mm bolt here beneath in the bottom of I have the washer right there. You have to loose them with ratchet, not with a socket, because it's no space, because that's the rack and pinion right there. Let's see if the camera can get them from this side, from this angle. Not sure, but that's basically what they are right there. They can only be taken off with ratchet. So just make sure you grab them very well so you don't strip them off. If you strip them, then that's gonna be a big problem. For 13mm bolts that are holding the timing chain cover. 4 13mm bolt, the ones on the bottom right there, on the bottom of the timing chain cover, between the timing chain cover and the rack and pinion. I had to use this to take them out because you cannot put a socket there. I got it loose with this one, and then once I got it loose, I used the ratcheting so it can help you to be faster. 13mm. Now something to mention is when you taking this out, the ones on the bottom, these ones, please make sure that when you insert these on the head of the bolt, you insert it very well, because the space is very uncomfortable. So make sure you insert it very well, and then you start turning it, otherwise you're gonna strip them. So be careful with that. Now this is pretty much easy to remove all the bolts in the front. I removed this one and that one. I didn't show on camera. This one and this one, 13mm bolt, and this one is 18 here. It's already. This bracket is on the way here, so I don't want to bring it out too much because this bracket is on the way. Okay, I gotta go on the corner there for the camshaft position. I mean the crankshaft position sensor. I have not disconnected. Okay, took out the timing chain cover. That's how it looks right there. It doesn't look bad at all. I have to put it on time. Okay, right now I want to show something. Now I'm not sure if the camera is gonna pick this up, but this not lining with this is on one side here. On this side, it's not lining up. See, if you see that, you see like this, it comes to here. It's not lining up anymore. So also that makes the difference, because there are not broken guys or anything like that. The timing chain does not seem to be loose from anywhere, but these things, it's a common problem. These cam facers on these Fords, this is supposed to be lining up exactly, but it's not. It's on this side here. Now hopefully the camera picked that up. I'm gonna do it once I take them out to have a better view. I'll be taking this camshaft cap off, this one here, 210mm bolt, because I'm gonna use a vice grip to hold it here. There is no problem if you take this off, no problem at all. I use the 2 bolt here, 10mm bolt. Put them over here for now. Make sure you don't scratch anything, or the camshaft here, the cap. Alright, because the cap doesn't let you place the vice grip. And now I'm gonna be taking this off. T27. Now it should be a long one, not a short one. This is a knocking here, regular knocking. Alright. Now this engine is on time already. I forgot to mention that it's on time. Okay, I like this one too. I put a knocking over here too, as you can see. That's the vice grip right there. It's against the chassis of the vehicle here. The frame right there by the strut. The thing is against there. And as you already showed this one too, how because this one goes that way, so it can go nowhere here. And finally, the last thing I make dust marks on the cams. This is the driver side, cylinder head number 2. You can see, just in case. And I'm going to the passenger side here, the same. This is a little bit dark here, so just in case, make those lines on the cam, and then on the cam cap, on the cap right there. Okay, I'm gonna be taking this off right now with the 15mm socket. Right here. Okay, I'm just gonna put it back by hand. Now there is no impact gun available. You gotta use the tool to. I have the tool to lock it here, but with impact gun you have no problem. Okay, put it by hand already. I'm gonna do the other one here because I already lose it. Put it by hand to make sure it doesn't come off. Now the tensioner's off. Okay. Right here. right here. This goes in this position. It's only a pin here. This is another one that is only pin here. Right here, that's how it goes. Okay, 8mm bolt on the cam, and I'm sorry, and the guys, the other guys right there. 8mm bolt, 8mm bolt, another 8 here. No, not the camera is getting that, but another one here.